How you doing? Welcome back to the vlog. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You are one of them. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and show the love. Leave a comment. More here from you and better things.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Now today we're on our way to a river. We're going to go to Mayfield Falls. Mayfield Falls is one of Jamaica's famous attractions. It's in the rural part of Hanover. A lot of people don't know it. Great Falls, so we're gonna visit that today and show you guys. Visit that today and show you guys a lot of the persons that come to Jamaica tourist wise. Well, not a lot of them. Most of them. Well, some of them request going to Mayfield Falls. If you don't know, I have a travel business. Please check the description box below and follow me on Instagram at TrueLifeToursJA. And yeah, you can see what me are going over this also. Yeah, we're en route to Mayfield Falls. So guys, my eyes just caught a banana. I tell you, say, the banana is so big. I have to show you before I left. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're on our way to Mayfield Falls in Hanover. We stop at our liquor corner shop friend. Him have soup, but it's not ready yet. Cow food soup. We probably got rain river too. So, pata soup. Near to a fish man. You have any apron? Big man. So I'm going to show you guys the mountain area. It looks very good. We've probably stopped at Witton too. It's a place where they jump off in like a trench. Probably jump off, I don't know yet. But check out the scenery, guys. Let me see. Wonderful. Take a look at that mountain right there and the greenery. So good. Put your phone locked down. Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Where will we? Me, I go put your phone locked down. Mr. Rose, I'm gonna expose it. The water. Let me expose it. Give me my ice cream. Go me turn on it. Romeo, why you buy me cone like that? I supposed to somebody buy a cone, so give me my thing. What's up? Somebody buy a cone. never see somebody buy quarter. So if it leak out, if it melt, it go leak out. That's the road, that's the road. I press it over here. That's the kitchen good. Kids. Come up here, sir.
I dig it in, Alright. Yeah, I'm not thinking about it. Can you make this?
It's too crazy for me, I don't like yam. It's potato. From now, the Mayfield part here.
I'll back off.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
We're gonna pay to go in there?
Not sure.
One thing, don't put up in your pasture. You know I'm feeling it. Cool bad man. I come on Mayfield was already, you know. Just remember. But I don't hear something I remember coming in from.
Nobody else outside.
So we just go on back to business.
Nobody go.
Yeah. I mean like we just go on in. The bus there.
Your destination is on the left.
I think you walk down one part. So we have arrived at the parking lot actually. Loving my hair though. We have arrived at the parking lot. We're walking down to where the falls is actually. Not sure what the setup is like down there. I've been here before, but it was a couple of years ago, so I don't remember how things go. So I'm gonna show you on the way down there. All right. I remember going down here, so years ago I come still. No. No one drinks. So they have a rails you can hold on to. Romy, you couldn't drive, go down there, no? Apparently. What's the road there? Eh? What do you mean mystical things? But my hill when I live steeper than this.
No long so.
Oh, this is the bridge. Whee! Oh, what kind of little funny bridge is? Alright, so guys, we just crossed over a little bamboo bridge, and now we're heading to the river. The bamboo bridge have a little bit of height, a little bit scary, but yeah, alright. So you see, I'm gonna do something be. What my was? Hey, they're talking over see go left them. A lot of bamboos around. I'm gonna capture that for you right now. So there's a little hike. I think we're lost. So there's a little hike to the top of the river. We could have gone in the river there and walk up. We're trying to go to the top and then walk down, you know. So as I said, this is one of Jamaica's famous attractions. It takes approximately an hour drive from Montego Bay to get here. The road is pretty bad, especially if you follow the GPS and stuff. So yeah, that we had to know. Look how girl a glow. Bad. Wait. Oh, you go cross back your bridge? Why the man lead me astray? I tell you now. What a nice man. Guys, can you believe we come a place got lost in a rural? I said, no, me afraid. But she shouldn't give you a little information, Romeo. You don't think so? So you enter X, Y, and Z. So, guys, and if I want to pass that. So we come to. And last I get lost, sir. We got lost on the hiking trail. And we're trying to go back. Actually, it is so funny. We're going to the river. You sure, Romeo?
What?
Want me to jump off and catch me? I'm afraid. So So guys, the water is very, very cold. Maybe I want part right up there, so it's deep. I want one piece of stick. After the stick not pop off with me underwater, Mr. Rose have to jump off. Mr. Rose have to come save me. Oh God. I tell you, water dies. You, David, when left one for you? One in your chunk. Guys, I'm trying to walk. Check out that view. Eh?
Could have been better. I like it.
Remind me of Blue Hole. You have enough for deeper part than Blue Hole, you know?
Yeah.
You ready for me to pick it cocoa or when you pick them part?
Pick it up for me, man. And then girl, let's go move.
Yeah, I don't think I don't know see that. Guys, I'm back in the vehicle now. It's actually like, what time am I about 3?
Make sure smell be right.
Ask him. Oh, the phone died earlier, and so I couldn't get the capture.
Man. Everything good, man. You can't drive that way, I go back straight way, don't you? Anyway, back in our south, back that way there. That's up at Flower Hill Square. Yeah, man, because you want to go on GP that way there. Let me know that way I have to always drive from. Yeah.
There's a shorter. This way shorter, down your road. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.
I said, man.
It's too hype, you. Are you still so Romeo? Anyways, guys, I couldn't get to record the full thing because, as usual, the device died. So the river was really, really good. Like the actual water is really, really cool and nice. Some part deep. Me almost drowning now when I part them. I come and save me. But I must say the entire setting of Mayfield Falls, I would say it's a little bit run down. Like, I'm not sure if it's because I don't want nothing. I don't want nothing wrong. More grapefruit, a soda. I would say like the atmosphere, I've been there before a couple of years ago and it was very, very clean, you know, cut, you have the park and stuff like that. The place is, it needs a little bit of renovation. I'm not sure if it's because of the heavy rainfall and then the COVID, they not really maintain the place. It was only $700 to go in. They said that they dropped the price because of the COVID and stuff like that. But I must say the water is exceptional. Look how me cool. Girl cool bad. But I would say the environment, one little music and stuff like that. No food, not the way you can buy and stuff like that. But I guess it's because of what's happening now in the world, make it still like that. This is where I basically end the vlog for today. Our trip to Mayfield Falls River, one of the best rivers in Jamaica. Water well forced, blue and pretty. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Turn on the little bell there. I'm dating. Later. people here for like curfew measures.
Police are coming or something.
Well, yeah, you come to the police station too. Process on the south. They're right for the mountain, you know, Romeo? You know me?
Well, yeah, yes, I hear. Rasta, the boy, man. Tell you, a young lion, you know.
Oh, Jesus, what is our say?
Oh, my.
And them I think they may talk about building a house on the hillside. You understand?
I know, you know.
They have to abandon it.
Oh, my. Let them believe what they say.
Romeo, now we know what this is all about, may I tell you? You sure you're up at the government to dig up Romeo?
I can't know if that's what we just say. Look for this type of mountain them have and you want to keep them down, you know.
And they have flat land where they not use up. Like the guy can't team.